Hi, I'm Hanh, and I'm going to be talking about how seniors can use Amazon Echo for day-to-day tasks. So this video is all about using the Amazon Echo for seniors. Whether you are a senior yourself or just want to know more about it before getting one for your parents, this video will cover both the pros and cons of Alexa so you can decide if it's right for you. Seniors are the fastest growing segment of the population. The baby boomers are tech-savvy and want to be engaged, and they are the fastest growing age group to adopt technology. 1 in 3 seniors have used voice-activated technology like Alexa or Siri. The most popular use of these technologies is making phone calls, followed by looking up information on the internet and playing music. More than half of the seniors who own a smart speaker say it has improved their quality of life. 1/3 of all households with an adult over the age of 65 is already using a smart speaker. It's important to teach seniors how to use Alexa and what it does so that they don't get frustrated by technology. The Amazon Echo is a hands-free, voice-activated device that works as a virtual personal assistant. The assistant, known as Alexa, listens to your voice commands and carries out your requests. You don't even need to type anything to use it. It's an incredibly useful tool that can help seniors manage doctor's appointments, shopping lists, entertainment such as music and books, and much more. The senior's guardian will need to set up the account and provide access rights for the person they are caring for. You can ask it about the weather, news, and even order pizza. Alexa is like Siri on steroids. The device itself is made of plastic with no buttons or screens. It has 7 microphones for listening and an LED light ring around the top so that you know when it's listening. The Alexa for Seniors app is available on both Android and iOS. But unlike those other assistants, Alexa has been built from the ground up with seniors in mind. With seniors' cognitive and physical needs in mind, Amazon created new features for this device. Some features are designed specifically for seniors, such as reminders about medications or doctor's appointment, the ability to set timers for activities of daily living, bathing, or eating, automatic fall detection with SOS alerts sent to the pre-selected contacts. The voice-activated virtual assistant helps seniors stay connected, active, and entertained. It can play music, answer questions about local businesses or emergencies, provide updates on daily news reports, set alarms for medications and appointments. One way seniors can use the Amazon Alexa is for reminders and alarms, which they can set up by saying, "Alexa, what's my alarm?" or "Alexa, remind me to call John at 10 a.m. And if your hands shake too much, you can say "Alexa" instead of pushing any buttons at all. Seniors can use it to check their bank account's balance or find out what's in the nearby grocery stores. There's even an Echo Dot design explicitly with seniors' needs in mind. You can ask Alexa what time the sun will set or how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon. Seniors can use it to control their home's temperature, lights, and other appliances. The device has been programmed with various skills, including telling jokes and playing games like Jeopardy! Seniors who have trouble with their eyesight may prefer Amazon Alexa because it has text-to-speech function. Seniors can also play music on Amazon Music or Spotify through Alexa, either by asking for specific songs or artists, or by using one of the many genre stations available on the platforms. Seniors can even add items to their shopping list with just one command. Amazon also has seniors' category of devices that are designed with seniors in mind. So let's take a look at why some seniors may not prefer the Alexa. Well, some seniors may not be the best candidates for Alexa because they may have hearing problems or difficulty with speech. The Echo Dot has a mute button with no volume control. You need to have Wi-Fi to use Amazon Prime Music and other streaming services on your device. The Echo Show doesn't work well with hearing aids. Alexa can't play music from a CD or a cassette. Alexa can't send a fax. The Alexa can't set an alarm to wake you up in the morning, but she does have a timer function that will turn off your light after 15 minutes of being left on. Alexa is not good for verbal commands if you have an accent or are whispering. Alexa can't read out loud. It's always listening and could potentially record conversations without you knowing. The best way for seniors to use Alexa is by turning up the volume and speaking in a loud voice. The voice recognition software in the device has trouble understanding older voices. The speaker on the device can't play music or podcasts, unlike other devices like Apple's HomePod. It doesn't have camera, so you can't see who's at your door or what's happening in front of your house when you're away from home. Alexa doesn't always understand the context of what you're asking for, and you will need to have Wi-Fi or mobile data to use Alexa, which is not good if you live in an area with spotty service. Your voice needs to be loud and clear for Alexa to work well. It's hard for seniors with arthritis, Parkinson's disease, or other disabilities that make it difficult to talk loudly and clearly. Alexa cannot make phone calls for you. There are many other things that the Amazon Echo can do, but they are mostly related to entertainment and home automation. Alexa could give away all of your personal information if it's not encrypted. You need an internet connection in order to use Alexa, which means that she won't work well in rural areas or places with poor service. If you're using the voice remote, then there are no buttons on it, meaning that if something goes wrong, then you're out of luck. The device does not come with a screen, which means you won't know what song is playing or who's calling without asking or checking the phone. You cannot see what you're asking her to do. Alexa can't call 911. It doesn't work with all Bluetooth devices like some hearing aids and smartwatches. If you're in a noisy or crowded room, it might not hear you. The voice recognition isn't as good as Siri's or Google Assistant. You can't control the volume or change the song with voice commands. There's no way to block ads, and you'll hear them every time you use Alexa. Alexa is not good for seniors because when you're asking something, she'll just say, "Sorry, I can't find that," or "I'm sorry, I don't know the answer." There's no physical button to press, which means that you can't turn it on if it's been off. You have to be in certain range of your device for Alexa to work properly. The speaker quality isn't as good as other speakers in the market. It's not good for seniors who have trouble seeing or hearing well. Alexa is only available in English, Spanish, German, and Japanese. If you want to change your voice settings, you'll need a phone or a tablet. It will only work with certain smart home devices, like lights and thermostats that are compatible with the Amazon Echo product. The Echo Dot has better sound quality than other models of Amazon smart speakers, but it still can't compare to any full-size speaker. The Echo Dot also has a 3.5mm audio jack, so you can connect your own speakers to headphones if you want louder sound without having to shout at your device. For example, there's an Echo Dot that is easier to hear and see than regular model. There's also an Echo Show that comes with a built-in camera, so you can make video calls and watch movies on the device. With seniors and Alexa, there are pros and cons. On one hand, you can keep your loved ones safe by listening to them on their own voice assistants. Technology can be used to help them stay in touch with the world and their loved ones, and seniors are adapting. There are some drawbacks of this technology as well: privacy concerns, voice recognition issues, and privacy, among others. As we see more people adapting to these technologies and they become integrated into our lives at an earlier age than ever before. So what does this mean for future generations? What do you think about using Alexa or similar products with senior populations? Reach out if you need any help incorporating such services into your business. We have experts ready to provide guidance on how best to use such emerging technologies, so reach out today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm excited to help people in the best part of life. I hope that you join this community on our journey through aging, caregiving, longevity, and attitude towards growing older. So please subscribe to the channel, press that like button, click on that bell icon to get notified when there's a new video.